Planning a trip doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right steps, you can create a travel itinerary in just minutes, one that ensures you won't miss a thing and maximizes your time. In this video, we'll break down a quick and effective system to organize your travel plans like a pro. Step 1. Decide on key destinations. Start with your travel dates and main locations. If you're visiting multiple cities, outline how many days you'll spend in each place. For single destination trips, list the key landmarks, attractions, and experiences you want to prioritize. Step 2. Research local activities. Once you know your destination, search for must-see sites, local events, and hidden gems. Tools like Google Maps, TripAdvisor, and travel blogs are excellent for identifying popular spots. Write down the estimated time needed for each activity, including transportation. Step 3. Group activities by location. Efficiency is key. Organize your list by proximity. For instance, group landmarks and restaurants within walking distance or a short drive. This reduces unnecessary travel time and helps you cover more ground in less time. Step 4. Add time buffers. Leave space between activities for relaxation, unexpected delays, or spontaneous adventures. Overloading your schedule can lead to stress, so aim for balance. Step 5. Use a travel itinerary app. Apps like Google Sheets, Notion, or specialized tools like Road Trippers can simplify your planning. Input your activities, times, and locations into a clear, accessible format. Add links to addresses, booking confirmations, and emergency contacts for convenience. Step 6. Double-check logistics. Confirm opening hours, reservation details, and local transportation schedules. This ensures your itinerary flows seamlessly and avoids surprises like closed attractions or missed buses. You can build a well-organized travel itinerary that ensures a stress-free and unforgettable trip in just a few minutes. Start by listing your key destinations, grouping activities strategically, and adding time for the unexpected. With these simple steps, you're ready to travel confidently. For more quick travel tips, don't forget to subscribe and start planning your next adventure today.